This is our tube laser workshop. Let's go to see. This machine is very big tube lasers. There are many tube lasers. This is our sample showing room. Many aspect tube lasers. This machine is 12 kilowatt tube lasers. Many big tube lasers with 3 track. 3 track tube lasers. 3 track tube lasers. Three track tube lasers. This machine is 12 kilowatt tube lasers. It's 3 track. The loading length is 18 meters. Our engineer is testing this machine. This unloading length is also 18 meters. The machine total length is about 40 meters. It's very big, very longer. As you can see, this chuck is 650 millimeter diameter. We customize the machine color for our customer. This part is our 2 chuck tube lasers. Two chuck tube lasers. We packed the machine to send. For this part is our tube leaders. This is our truck workshop. We produce the truck by ourselves. The truck is very important for tube laser. It's a very big one. This is our welding workshop. Let's go to see. We weld the machine bed by ourselves. We weld the machine bed by ourselves. This is our chuck part. This is machine bed. This is tube leader machine bed, as you can see. This is our CNC milling machine. We have two CNC milling machines. One is 8 by 2 meters CNC milling machine. Another big one, I will show. Another big